Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Steam corrupted update files. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So first, after we have launched Steam, we want to click on Steam in the top left corner. And here we want to go to Settings. Now the first fix, we want to click on Download from the left-hand side. And right here we want to select Clear Cache. So this will clear our cache, restart Steam, and it will ask us to log in again. So just click on Confirm and see if your game works this way. Now that was the first fix. The second fix for this, we are just going to repeat this process. Click on Steam and then click on Settings. And then this time we go to Storage. And in Storage we want to click on the three dots right here. And then we want to select the Repair Library. So click on Repair Library and it will ask us to confirm. It will start repairing our game library. So that was the second fix. And the last fix that I can suggest trying is by going to your library directly. You find the game that you want to try to repair. Then you go to Properties, then right here you go to Install Files, and then you click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. And this will just make sure that your game is properly installed and that you can update it. So those are 3 fixes you can try. So that's basically how you can fix Steam corrupted update files. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.